How trees make oxygen. Have you ever wondered how trees make the oxygen we breathe? Every breath you take right now has a story that begins deep within the green leaves of trees. They are the silent workers of nature, cleaning our air, storing carbon, and releasing oxygen that keeps us alive. Today, we'll explore the fascinating process of how trees make oxygen and why they're truly the lungs of our planet. Let's start with the process called photosynthesis, the most important chemical reaction for life on Earth. Photosynthesis is how trees and plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. In simple words, trees take in carbon dioxide from the air, absorb water from the soil, and use sunlight to make food. During this process, oxygen is released as a byproduct, and that's what we breathe in. The equation goes like this: carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight, glucose plus oxygen. This beautiful exchange is nature's way of keeping our atmosphere balanced. The key player in this process is a green pigment called chlorophyll found in the leaves. Chlorophyll captures sunlight and powers the chemical reactions that split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen is used to create glucose, the plant's energy food, while the oxygen is released into the air. So, every time sunlight hits a leaf, millions of tiny reactions happen, turning light into life. Imagine it: every forest, every tree, every leaf working like a natural solar-powered factory, creating oxygen non-stop. But trees don't just make oxygen, they store carbon too. When trees take in carbon dioxide, they trap carbon inside their trunks, roots, and branches. That's why forests are known as carbon sinks. They help slow down global warming by locking away carbon for decades or even centuries. When you see a giant tree, think of it as a living oxygen generator and a carbon storage unit, both at the same time. Do all trees make the same amount of oxygen? Not exactly. Larger trees with broad leaves, like oaks or maples, produce more oxygen than small shrubs or young trees. A single mature tree can produce enough oxygen in 1 year for 2 people to breathe. And an entire forest, it's a massive oxygen engine for our planet. This is why deforestation, cutting down forests, is so dangerous. When we lose trees, we lose oxygen producers and gain more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Trees also work together in amazing ways. Through their root systems and underground networks, they share nutrients and water. Some scientists even call forests superorganisms because trees communicate and support one another. This unity helps the whole ecosystem thrive. Animals get shelter, soil stays healthy, and air stays rich in oxygen. In short, every leaf contributes to the balance of life on Earth. So next time you walk under a tree, take a deep breath and remember that the oxygen filling your